Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. This is Art Thomas. Today we are going to continue to talk about balance pad exercises for beginners. Just like standard balance exercises, the balance pad is much better but extremely more difficult. Balance exercises are very good for those small muscles around your hips and ankles, including your feet and core, and the stronger your core, the better balance you will have. The balance pad can be good for anyone in general. I even used it when I broke my femur. It can be good for older people or anyone that has disabilities or balance issues. When I first started using the balance pad due to ataxia, I was drenched in sweat, which can be surprising because it doesn't look like I'm doing much. And I would fall all the time. Falling is terrible, and sometimes it cannot be prevented, but there's a favorable way to fall to lessen the blow and keep from really hurting yourself. In a future video, I will show you how to fall, but you must subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss that video. I don't want you to miss it because it's very hard to teach and learn. Do these exercises in a corner so you have walls around you. And if you feel it's needed, put a chair or something in front of you to prevent falls. If you feel like you're going to fall, you can always catch yourself. Try to have someone with you, but if not, definitely use the walls for help. The first balance pad exercise are heel raises. Copy me, find a safe corner using the balance pad, and lift the back of your feet and your heels up using your toes. It feels like a calf exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your balance. I started with a count of 20, 40, 60 times, etc. Master one set and increase the count. The second balance pad exercise are toe raises, which are extremely hard for me. Copy me, find a safe corner using the balance pad, and lift your toes up using your shins and trying to balance on your heels. It feels like a shin exercise, which it is, but it is also helping your balance. I started with a count of 20, 40, 60 times, etc. Master one set and increase the count. The third balance exercise is trying to balance with one leg using the balance pad. Try and do the staggered step balance exercise and the same exercise on the floor first, which is the first balance video. I put a link in the description below. Copy me, find a safe corner and walls around you. Try and balance yourself on one leg. You will feel unsteady at first, but you will get better over time. I started with a count of 20, 40 seconds, etc., and switch legs and do the same thing on that leg. Master one time and increase the time. Next, when doing the following balance pad exercises, is do your best in keeping your feet together. Put your hands and arms crossed on your chest and look up and down and then side to side. Again, the side to side head movement is extremely hard for me, but this is key to helping your balance. Do counts 20, 40, 60, etc. Just to restate from the last videos, your eyes are like gauges for your body and brain, so workouts get much harder when your eyes are closed. For example, when I close my eyes to do some of the balance exercises, my body will shake because my balance is messed up. This is good and normal because signals are going to my brain trying to tell me to stay upright and not to fall. This is very important to always do these exercises in a corner, so you have walls around you. And if you feel it's needed, put a chair or something in front of you to prevent falls. If you feel like you're going to fall, you can always catch yourself. Try to have someone with you, but if not, definitely use the walls for help. Your balance does get better over time, but you have to do these exercises every day and stay positive and keep doing your best. Stress the nervous system. Prove people wrong. For example, when I was healing from my femur break, I was told I will always walk with a limp, but because I worked out constantly, I don't walk with a limp. Just keep pushing forward and stay positive. If I can prove people wrong, so can you. You will get better, but it doesn't happen quick. Description below on what to purchase and other videos. Help the channel out by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and clicking that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free and thank you. Stay up to date with future videos coming.